Hey, we're Mike and Joni of Those Who Glam Together. We're here at the Forest River Dealer Expo, and it is Content Creator Day, so we are checking out some of the products we love, and we're going to the ones that weren't at the Hershey show. So right behind me is the East to West Ahara 395FB, and this is a layout that it just blew me away. But we're going to start on the outside and check things out here. So let's get started. First of all, this rig is 44 feet 4 inches long. It has a hitch weight of 2,820 pounds. Yes, this 44-foot rig, the hitch weight's only 2,020 pounds, 820 pounds. Amazing. The dry weight's 16,164, and your carrying capacity is 2,656. So it's amazing. Our tanks are 64 fresh, 132 gray, and 88 black.
That's huge.
That's big. Yep. And it has two awnings on it, an 18-foot awning and a 16-foot awning. That's a lot of coverage.
Yeah.
I'm reading off of the sheet here because I can't remember these numbers. Then it is 13 feet 6 inches tall. I do want to go over some of the features because I have a list of features here. Just off the top of my head, 6-point automatic leveling system, hydraulic. Yep. It's got a solar package of 430 watt solar on the roof with a 50 amp MPPT controller and a 2000 watt inverter. I don't believe they put lithium on this rig, but I could be wrong. And another thing about this rig, this is a prototype. So what you see now may not be the final product, as they are going to tweak things. And we just spoke to Mark Kroll, who is the head of this division. If you guys have any ideas you would like to see happen on this rig, put them in our comments. They're going to be looking at them. And in Mark's words, this is an 8 out of 10 now. He wants it to be a 10 out of 10. So let's make it happen.
This is a very competitive with that Brinkley Alliance. Yes. It is high end. It looks very beautiful, and the interior is going to blow you away. The layout is going to blow you guys away. All
right, so right here we've got, I love their doors, 30 pound propane, a massive under
this is
storage.
A pass-through.
Yep, massive storage.
Very tall as well. I love how they did the lighting strip up here. That's very nice.
And I believe, as we look back here, I believe these are H-rated tires. I could be wrong, but I believe they're H-rated tires.
I do see Cooper, so they're Cooper tires.
So it's the Cooper H-rated tires. They're using the square windows.
Love that.
If you look at the paint job, let's just look at, or not paint job, but the stencils, that is a very attractive look to this. And look at that, it's all glass door.
It looks like a glass door, yeah. It does have a window in it. We'll show you that when we get on the inside. Also with the tires, they usually put a Cree 3000.
And we can't get around it because there are so many rigs here.
Yep, I'll try my best to get.
I mean, we can jump around the other side, but.
I can duck, twist, and crawl, I suppose. We do have a camera prep up there, and you might already have one. I don't see it, but camera prep, and then also a hitch. So I'm not sure. 3,000
pound tow rating, 300 pound hitch rating.
Yeah, so something really light. Maybe like your e-bikes or like wood.
Yeah. I
don't know about crawling back here.
Yeah, it's got a lot of mud, but. All right, so these are going to be lead acid because you can see that this is running down. It's an exhaust to keep them cool. So
but because this is a wide body and a full frame, it has a huge amount of storage.
Yep, and you could switch it out to lithium yourself.
Yep.
So it is a 101 inch wide body. And then on this side, we can get up under this. Oh,
you got a little makeshift awning.
So this is where your water bay is. You got Nautilus, all electric valves.
Then they made this a door.
You got to pull hard. Yep.
Okay.
So that you can get under and work on stuff. Your pumps back here, just in case something would happen.
And I see brass fittings.
Yep, awesome.
Very nice.
And this is to get on top of the camper.
Bear with me, but I want to show you guys the inside because this has the bling effect, and Mike isn't into the bling effect, but I am. I love beautiful looking rigs, and this is an absolutely amazing looking layout and colors and everything. So
I love the layout.
We want to show you what it looks like.
The bling doesn't throw me. I want it to run forever. That's what I look for. I do like the door. Look at this rear kitchen. Their first ever desk model.
What do you guys think of this? This has 3 couches, opposing slides, so you get a lot of room. But this has a rear kitchen, and also their very first with a desk out here.
So
this kitchen is absolutely beautiful. Tons of counter space, tons of storage everywhere. This is a bar right here, and they've got a couple chairs. They're talking about extending this to give you a little bit more realistic elbow room. I know it looks like a bar, but if you put both of us here, this person would be a little bit tight with this wall in the way. So they're talking about maybe even extending this. This has another, I would say kind of a pantry, but this is really unique. You got to see this. What do you guys think of this? This is a cabinet that you could put like your silverware into. It's got a handle there. It's got soft close on their cabinets. Solid surfaces. Then they're going to have the 12-volt refrigerator, which I absolutely love. After we bought our Tandera, they kind of started coming out with these. This back here is so beautiful. They're talking about maybe even lowering this as well, so that way you can access those top ones. This one here, I could probably get my hand up here, but to get something out of there, it's crazy. I love the sink with a window. Day shade, night shades. It does look dark because it's so close to another rig. It looks dark outside, and it's raining too.
And it's raining, so it is dark outside.
Yeah, lots of windows, and Mike mentioned earlier the square windows. Those are so beautiful. But look at this residential stove, all the storage, all the drawers.
GE profile stove, yeah.
Yeah, GE microwave. Now that's an Everchill on the refrigerator. Yeah. But storage here, I just find this so, I don't know, you're not going to lack for anything. Got a pull out dual trash can. I don't know if I'm a big fan of this. I would just rather have a drawer in my opinion, but I know this is kind of like the popular thing right now. All this is just storage here, but lots of storage. I also like that east to west, they do not put vents in the floor so you don't walk on top of them. This rig is designed for full-time living. You can have everything you want. You don't really need to downsize with this. There's so much more. We've only captured half of this rig, so there's so much more. We're going to turn you around and show you the laundry room half bathroom. So this is a big, they had a big discussion about the changes that they would like to see in here. One of them, you can go in. One of them is going to be maybe a bigger mirror. They're also going to lower the washer and dryer. They want this to be functional. So this makes sense that if this was lower, you'd be able to fold up here or have storage up here, wash your hands here. A little bit of your mud room, so to say, but is what I would call this. But the master suite is incredible. You got to check it out. This is gorgeous. You do get a fireplace in a bedroom, and then also a televator, so it goes up and down as you need it. And then you also have storage on the sides. There's two barn doors, sliding barn doors, full front bathroom and closet, and we want to show you what that looks like. You guys have got to see this bathroom. This solid surfaces. Look at how big this mirror is. Dual sinks. Look at all this storage below the sinks. It's just so beautiful. And it's nice, they gave you at least two outlets, one on this side and one right here in the middle. This shower is huge.
They have a patent pending new leak-proof skylight.
Okay, we got the porcelain toilet, but check out this space. This is a full walk-in closet. They are going to be making some changes in here, and Mark did point those out. They feel like there's some dead space back here, so they're going to create some shelving back in here, open this up. They may eliminate a shelf. And I think this is so beautiful. At first I was like, what do you mean you got to make changes? This is gorgeous. But once he showed me, I was like, oh yeah, that makes sense, having these two opened up for more storage. But yeah, so beautiful. You got some shoe storage down here in the bottom for that.
On both sides, yeah.
Yeah, and all this drawer space. But such a beautiful bathroom. This rig is so gorgeous. It's hard to already be like, what changes could make it better, but maybe you guys see it quicker than I do. But
let me show you my favorite bling thing.
What's your favorite bling thing?
Right here. You don't even know what that is, do you?
I gotta see it first. Oh, I didn't notice that. No kidding.
Look at that. A pull-out closet for coats.
That's brilliant.
Nobody does that.
No.
It's right as you walk in.
Yeah.
Right here's the front door.
Look at that.
And you got storage up top too.
Yeah. Get
And
some baskets.
down below. Oh no,
that's
there's your electric.
Oh, this is smart. This is a good idea.
All right, so this is the 395FB.
Beautiful, guys. How many slides are there?
One, two, three, four.
This is one.
Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4.
4. Okay. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, and that's number 4.
But which one is that? Which one is 4?
This says slide room.
I don't know.
I'm gonna say.
I'm sure they'll have to they can remarket it which
Yeah.
one it is. I mean, all
Yeah.
it says is room 1, 2, and 3,
Yeah.
and then that's slide room 4. I don't know. I don't need to know.
Yeah. But what do you guys think? This is
She's a big girl though.
She is.
44
But it's
feet.
beautiful. If you are looking for something for like full-time living in, this is the rig that you need to be looking at.
Yep.
So how about it, guys? Could you see yourself in this kitchen? Could you see yourself in this camper?
It's going to take a big truck though.
It will take a big
it's
truck, but
duly recommended.
give East to West some feedback.
This is-
What do you see? They want to make this a 10 out of 10. I believe it's so close to being there, just the little tiny things, but they want to hear it. They want to know what you think.
Yeah, so let us know down below.
Yep. Oh, happy glamping.
Ah.